Hi everybody, welcome to Vanessa's van life journey. I am Vanessa and I'm building out a van and her name is Sunshine. This is my wall over on the side where the cabinets are that I took down, and I am putting my USB charger ports up there. I'm moving. I had made this, but now that I've taken my wall down, like, this is probably not gonna work. So I had made this, I had USB chargers on here, but I am deciding to move my switches and my chargers somewhere else. So I have this, y'all excuse my hands, they dusty. I just got through installing the other charger. I have this charger that is from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box below. This is a USB charger port right here. It has two charging ports, as you can see there, and it has a 12-volt cigarette lighter type port. And then it has this faceplate for it. These fit in here like this. You have to take the back off. They fit in there like that. And they're going to go through the wood. And these are your charging, your charger to charge to the electrical wire to go to put power to this. So I'm getting ready to put this on, and what I did was I measured a line 24 inches from the top on both sides, and then I took this and I drew a line, and then I measured 10 inches from the side and I drew a line, and then I took my circle on my faceplate and I drew my circles out like that. And I have a drill bit. If you guys want to know what size drill bit I am using, this is, what size is this bit? It is 11/8 millimeter, and you just take your drill bit and you try to put it in the middle of the circle, and then you just start drilling, and you got to try to make sure you keep this even so it can just go through. So that's what I'm about to do now. And you want to do that on the other side. Get the wood out of here. I take a what do they call it? To get this out. I had it a minute ago. Don't know. Yeah, I take one of these and just push this until it comes out. Because you don't want to continue to use this and drill out the other hole, then that's going to push that further in. It's going to be harder to get out. So I just go ahead and try to get that out now. And you're going to try to put that in the middle where the hole lines up. It kind of looks like it's going to go over a little bit. Yeah. And get that out of there. And then I just take a regular metal file and I wrap some sandpaper around it. And I just smooth that hole out on both sides. And I'm gonna add some tile on top of this. So these have enough thread to where when I add the tile, I could just unscrew it. So I might need to put my tile up before I put my cabinets up because I ain't gonna be able to do this later. So, and then I have my sander. And I'm also going to sand under the bottom. And you take your faceplate, line your faceplate up, and you're gonna have your finished surface. I don't have my finished surface yet, so I'm gonna put my 12 volt there, and I'm gonna put my USB charger here on this side. And you're going to line it up where that part right here, this part right here is coming out right there. And then you're going to just take these on the back of it. And you're just going to do this. And you're just gonna do that. And voila. And then now all you have to do is just take your wire and connect it. I can show you guys. And you're gonna take your screws and you're gonna screw these in to the wood as well. So let me move this. And I can show you how to do the wire. It's very easy. This is the other side. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your wire, and on here it tells you which one is positive and which one is negative. This one is positive. You're gonna take this and push this down. And you're gonna take this on the positive side of this one. You're gonna put that one there. And then you're gonna take the negative and a negative. And it's just that easy, and you're gonna connect your negative and your positive to your power source. So that is how you do that. Very easy and simple. And if you guys are interested in a USB 12-volt charging port like this one, I will have it linked in the description box. So just look below the video, click on the description box, and the information will be there. Okay, you guys, it's just that simple and easy to hook up a 12-volt charger. I have this backwards and I'm going to turn it around, flip it around, hook up the other side, and then I'm going to put this up on my wall. I'm going to wipe this down and hang this up on my wall and just see how this is gonna look. This is not the final look of my wall, you guys. I still have to cover this in tile and put my shelf up on the wall. But I just wanted to install my USB charger so I can go ahead and wire everything up on my walls. So thank you guys for watching and tuning in, and let me know if this information was helpful. Again, this is my USB charging port, and this is very easy and simple to hook these up in your van bill. So y'all, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next video. And if you have any other videos that you want me to make for you, showing you how to do something, tips and tricks, then go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. Bye now. Thanks for watching.